Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle about the introduction of household resource management. And this is Josh Bernardi Kapagan, your reporter for today. To learn basic concepts and skills in relation to HRM so as to assist through research and development and improving the quality of life of people, individuals, families, and communities, especially the rural families in the farming communities. What is household? Household, a group of people, each with different abilities and needs, who live together most of the time and contribute to a common economy and share the food and other income derived from the common economic activities. Household is a basic unit for social, cultural, and economic analysis. What is resource? Resource is an economic or productive factor required to accomplish an activity or as means to undertake an enterprise and achieve desired outcome. Three most basic resources are land, labor, and capital, and other resources include energy, entrepreneurship, information, expertise, management, and time. What are the basic household resources? First, human, physical labor, knowledge, educational attainment. And immaterial, it's land, capital, technology, money, and time. The screen, we have here the land. And second, the technology. And last, the money. Household resource management uses the household as an entry point to understand and address rural development challenges. It focuses on management systems within households and include analysis of decision making, resource allocation, household consumption, and time management in the context of food security and economic development. The characteristics of resources. First, resources are useful. Second, resources are limited in supply. Third, resources are interrelated. Fourth, resources have alternate uses. And last, resources can substitute. What is management? Management is simply defined as the process of using that you have in the best way to achieve what you want. Manage help you to reach your goals, achieve what you want, utilize your resources properly, make your life more systematic, and avoid wastage of resources, increase efficiency in work situations, and last, achieve a better standard of life. Steps and management process. So first, planning, second, organizing, third, controlling, and last, evaluating. Involves listing activities, sequencing activities, and providing flexibility for adjustments. So, during planning, think about the following. What is it to be done? Who will do to the work? How will it be done? When will it be done? What resources will be used? There are three motivating factors in management. This is the goal. is the values. And third is the empathy. And that is the end of my presentation. That would be all. Thank you and good day. Bye bye.